In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split a clip in After Effects. First, find the exact point in your video where you want to make the cut. Let's say we don't want the beginning part of this clip. Instead, we want to keep the part where the video starts to zoom in slowly. Once you've found the spot, leave the playhead there. Now, to split the clip, press Ctrl plus Shift plus D. This will split the video right at the point you've selected. Unlike other editing software, After Effects handles splitting a bit differently. When you cut a clip in After Effects, the split part doesn't stay in the same layer. Instead, it creates a new layer above the original. So now you have the original clip in one layer and the new split section right on top of it. If you ever need to undo the split, just press Ctrl plus Z. Alternatively, you can go to the top menu, click on Edit, scroll down, and select Split Layer from the list. This will give you the same result as the shortcut. That's how easy it is to split a clip in After Effects. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.